Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing Cedar-Planked Salmon Bon Bons on the Big Green Egg. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. We've got our fresh salmon here that we've removed the skin and cubed into little 2-inch cubes, and we're going to create our marinade. So we're going to start with some soy sauce. Got about a cup of the soy sauce. We're going to add some fresh ginger, some fresh minced garlic. We have sweet peppers, some lime slices, and green onions. And last but not least, we're going to do about a teaspoon of wasabi. And then I'm going to mix all this up together here. Okay, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator. You can let this marinate for up to 2 hours. Okay, for this recipe, I've got my egg dialed in at 400 degrees, and our salmon has now been marinating for about an hour. You can go up to 2 hours, but we're ready to get cooking. So I've got cedar planks here that have been soaking in water for that hour as well. And this is going to impart a nice flavor as it cooks. If you were cooking direct over the coals, this would also prevent any charring flare-ups. We've got 16 pieces total, so that's why I'm using 2 planks. All right, we'll place these on the Big Green Egg. As I mentioned, our setup today, 400 degrees, and we're indirect, set up like an oven. And I'm just going to take our cedar planks, set them right there in the middle. And we're going to let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes and check the temperature. All right, it's been about 25 minutes, and we just temp these. They're right at 140 degrees, which is what you want for salmon, so we're just going to take these off. Set those there and let them rest for just a minute. All right, so our salmon bonbons have now rested. We're going to start, I'm going to dress these up a little bit of fresh lime juice. And then we're going to add some pickled ginger. And then some of our sweet peppers. And then we're going to take our mayonnaise. We've got Japanese mayonnaise. And then finally, some green onions. And cilantro. You could also hit it with wasabi if you like on top of that. If you'd like to try this at home, you can get the recipe at ky3.com or stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa to talk to the experts and pick up all your supplies.